Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Check that your TV supports Miracast, AirPlay, Chromecast, or DLNA, and that both devices share the same Wi-Fi. Once done, enable screen mirroring or casting on the TV menu and open the display or connection settings on your phone or laptop. Make sure Bluetooth is off if instructed and that any power-saving modes are disabled. These can block discovery. Start device discovery now and look for the TV name in the available devices list. You tap the TV name to initiate the connection. Once selected, allow pairing on the television and enter a PIN if the screen shows one. After connection, configure resolution and aspect ratio, set to 16:9 for video or mirror at native resolution for clarity. Then choose audio output, TV speakers or device. If latency appears, lower resolution or switch Wi-Fi bands. Make sure apps are allowed to cast and close background apps that may steal bandwidth. This improves stability and playback. You finalize by testing playback and confirming video and audio are in sync. Play a short 30-second clip and watch for lag. If the TV fails to appear, restart the TV and router, then retry discovery. Many issues clear after a reboot. For persistent latency, switch to a wired HDMI connection or use an HDMI adapter. Wired is more reliable for gaming or presentations. Tip: if things go wrong repeatedly, clear the TV's network list and pair again to remove stale device entries.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.